Hello students, let's move on to the next sum based on the method of elimination by equating the coefficients. The sum is solve the following simultaneous equations. The equations given are 3a plus 5b is equal to 26, that's the first equation, and the second equation is a plus 5b is equal to 22. So let's first consider the first equation, that is 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. Always remember, in this method, as we have already discussed, the equation should be in this form. I mean, both the variables on one side, the constant on the other side, and it should be in the alphabetical order. A, then B is equal to the constant, right? Once you get the equation in this form, let us number this equation as equation number 1. Now look at the second equation. It is a plus 5b is equal to 22. In the required form, let this be equation number 2. Now let us solve it by the method of elimination by equating the coefficients. For that, let us first decide which variable is to be eliminated. So look at the coefficients of the variable a. In the first equation, the coefficient of a is 3. In the second equation, the coefficient of a is 1. The coefficients are not same, so we cannot eliminate a as of now. Because to eliminate a variable, we need the coefficients to be the same, right? Equating the coefficients. Now look at the coefficients of variable b. In the first equation, the coefficient of variable b is 5. In the second equation, the coefficient is 5. So as far as the variable b is concerned, the coefficient is equal in both the equation, so we can conveniently eliminate the variable b because the coefficients are equal. Now to eliminate, we need to either add or subtract. Now whether to add or subtract, we can only decide by looking at the signs. Now look at the sign of 5b in the first equation, it is plus. In the second equation also it is plus. So the signs are same. Because the signs are same, what we need to do is we need to subtract the two equations. So subtracting 2 from 1. We can either subtract 2 from 1 or we can also subtract 1 from 2. The choice is absolutely yours. But just remember one thing, whenever we are subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, you are subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. So equation 1 you need to write first. So it will be like equation 1, then equation 2, and then you need to change the signs because we are subtracting. So remember, consciously in the exam, after writing both the equations, just leave some space and then draw this line, because in that space you need to write the new signs. We are changing the signs because we are subtracting. So let's change the sign of every term. A, currently the sign is plus, we need to change it and write the new sign here minus, and we need to operate as per this new sign. So what we will have to do is 3a minus a, because we are subtracting, so we are changing the sign. Remember this. Now look at the sign of 5b here, it is plus 5b, so the new sign will be minus 5b. And look at this, plus 22, so the new will be minus 22. So you write the new signs here like this, minus, minus, minus. Important from the presentation point of view. 5b minus 5b will get cancelled. What remains is 3a minus a, that's 2a. 26 minus 22, that's 4. You get 2a is equal to 4. So a is equal to 4 upon 2. 2 ones are, 2 twos are, a is equal to 2. As simple as that. Once you get the value of a, now it's time for us to find the value of b. Now to find the value of b, we need to substitute this value of a either in the first equation or in the second equation. The choice is absolutely yours. Whichever you feel is simple, whichever you are more comfortable with, right? So let us substitute a is equal to 2 in, say, equation 2. Now when we substitute a is equal to 2 in equation 2, we get 2 plus 5b is equal to 22, right? So you get 2 plus 5b is 22. Now shift this 2 to the other side, it will become minus 2. So you get 5b is equal to 22 minus 2. You get 5b is equal to 22 minus 2 is 20. You get b is equal to 20 upon 5. 5 ones are, 5 fours are, you get B is equal to 4. A is 2, B is 4. Don't forget to write the final answer. Solution of the given simultaneous equations is A comma B, which is equal to 2 comma 4. Remember, it should always be in the alphabetical order. As simple as that.